Oh, that's cool. How does this work? Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be reviewing two of the newest products launched by one of my favorite brands, Rare Beauty. So today we're going to be testing the Rare Beauty Kind Words Matte Lip Liner and the Kind Words Matte Lipstick. So we got them in the matching shades Worthy. If you're interested in seeing how these products apply and wear and learning a little more about them, then keep on watching. So the lipstick, as I said, is matte. It's supposed to be a buttery, pigment-rich, soft matte lipstick, available in a range of wearable shades that hugs the lips in pure comfort all day. So it's supposed to be a classic lipstick that's truly comfortable, innovative, flexible formula that moves with your lips for a cushiony, pigment-rich color that lasts all day while keeping lips soft, nourished, and moisturized. So it's matte, but hydrating and moisturizing and comfortable and all day wear. Like, this sounds incredible. As I said, I got it in the shade Worthy, which is a muted mauve. I will swatch them for you guys in just a second, but let's talk about the lip liner first. So the lip liner is also matte finish. It's supposed to be a super creamy, waterproof lip liner that glides like a balm to define lips, and in the same 10 made to match shades as the lipstick, which I love. I hate when brands come out with these products and they don't match, and I like my lip products matching. Not that you can't mix and match, you know, do a little darker lip liner, that's always a vibe, but I do like to match. So this is supposed to define and shape the lips in a one swipe color with a soft matte finish. As I said, that balm like glide that won't skip or tug. It's waterproof. Not only stays put all day without smudging, but it keeps your lipstick in place too. It also does have the retractable sharpener in there. So the actual outer packaging, the boxes are in the shade that you actually purchase. So this is supposed to mimic the Worthy shade, which I like that they have the shades for the boxes, because then you know what you're getting. This is the lip liner. I really like this packaging. It's very, you know, sleek and elegant, simple. It has that shade there. It has the kind of metallic lid, which is pretty, and it is retractable. You don't have to sharpen it, which is really nice, aside from like this little guy that keeps it pointy, but you don't actually have to go in with a sharpener, especially considering it's plastic. I love that because I hate when plastic lip liners need to be sharpened. So that's the actual shade. Let's go ahead and put it on my hand. It's that muted mauve. I really love that shade. And then the lipstick, this is the packaging, which is absolutely stunning. I really like Rare Beauty's packaging. I know it's a bit of a controversial topic because not everybody loves it, but I am a personal fan. Oh, that's cool. How does this work? Okay, so you get the little bullet out here. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Let's swatch her. Perfect match. I love it. And that looks nice and creamy. Kind of that blurring matte finish. And then you put it back in and it clicks in. Like you push it and it feels like it's like going in, and then you push it again and it pops out, which is nice because it'll keep it in there. So if you put it in your purse, as long as it's fully all the way in, it won't come out, but then you have to press it to pull it out. I actually can see the reason for that. I like that. So let's just go ahead and try these babies out. Because it's the same shading, I'm gonna go all over the lip. As you can see, it's a beautiful matte finish without looking dry. It seems really like firm without feeling thick or dry. It glided really nicely. It's really flattering to the lips. It was precise. Now it's obviously not quite as precise anymore, but all you have to do is sharpen it a little bit with this little sharpener it comes with, and you'll get a little more of a precise application. Honestly, so far, really love that. Let's go in with the lipstick over top. So it added a more opaque, like it added more pigment, it's more full coverage, and it did add that nice like blurring, smoothing effect. So it's like almost that velvety matte, but it feels really lightweight, not super creamy, but like, yeah, that kind of like silky finish. Feels super lightweight, feels comfortable, doesn't feel heavy, even with both layered over top. And I love the color, I love the finish. I'm really impressed with these guys upon application. It's just so flattering and so easy to use and beautiful. So let's go ahead and see how these babies wear. We will see how they actually hold up throughout the day. I will be doing a wear test today, so stay tuned if you want to see how these guys actually hold up. Hey guys, so end of day for the Rare Beauty lip liner and lipstick. So don't mind my face. I wore a mask. I had a client today and rubbed off my nose. Yeah, that's fun. But anyways, this is what the lips are looking like. This is almost 8 hours later. This is really long wearing. I did eat twice. The first meal didn't really affect the lipstick that much, but the second meal, yeah, no, I guess both meals weren't like messy, but I still ate, I drank, and the lipstick is still there. Faded a little bit here, but like it's like almost fully intact. So extremely long wearing for both of them. I'm absolutely obsessed with these products. I definitely recommend both of them, and I think you guys will love them. And yeah, so I'm really, really impressed. And that is my final opinion. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.